what kind of, my heart goes out to those people in Madison Square who was chanting Modi, Modi. My heart goes out to those. Imagine, there was a person in Madison Square who was chanting Modi, Modi. He wants to come back to India. Some NRI there, he gets patriotic and he wants to come back to India. Now, if he comes back to India, Honorable Finance Minister, he will be, first thing that he will be needed to do, as per your law, is to declare all his assets, everything. Not only that, not only does he need to declare all the assets, the section 211 of the current bill says, he states that the foreign asset, even if disclosed in income tax return, will be treated as undisclosed foreign asset by tax officer if he is not satisfied by the source of investment of that assessment provided by the assessee. And not only that, ma'am, adding to this, the tax, if the tax officer imposes penalty, assessee has no provision to seek stay and has to pay the amount. So basically, this gives unbridled power to the tax authorities to harass these Indian students who have gone to study abroad, the Indian professionals who are working abroad and have stayed there for last 8 years, and all the NRI community who, if come back, where he says, if and the NRI comes back, he has to provide a proper money trail of all the assets that he has acquired over so many years abroad. And if the money, the paper trail is not properly verified by the tax authorities, imagine what will happen to that NRI. So please think about those people who are chanting Modi, Modi in Madison Square. I don't think they are going to take this bill in the right spirit.
11th आवर तक भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेशनल प्रेसिडेंट बने रहने के लिए तैयार थे, उसको अचानक क्यों, जब ये बात चली पार्टी के अंदर और उसी पर इनको हटाया गया।